Good evening, sir. Welcome to Mangrove Hotel. My name is Angie Joel C. Alpate, and I will be your personal butler during your stay. May I assist you with your luggage?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're most welcome, sir. But before I take your luggage, may I know if there's any fragile items in your luggage?
No, it's fine.
Okay, sir. Please allow me to escort you to our front desk for your check-in.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Mangrove Hotel. May I know if you have a reservation with us?
Yes, under the name of Mr. Madaram.
Thank you, Mr. Madarang. May I have your valid identification card?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. This is your card. Your reservation was confirmed. You're checking in single bedroom hotel for 3 nights. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. This is your key card for your room. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Please allow me to escort you to your room. This is your room, sir. May I borrow your key card to open the door? Welcome to your room, sir. First, let me familiarize you with the room features. Here's your key card, sir. Here, sir, is your aircon and the control for it. And you also have a TV and the remote control for it. And this is your wardrobe. And the safety box is inside your wardrobe. Okay? Our service in housekeeping is 24 hours. And if you need anything, just type the #143 and we will answer, sir. If you wish, sir, I can help you unpack your luggage and arrange your garments.
Yes, please.
Your clothes has been arranged in your wardrobes. Would you like me to arrange your garments for a laundry service?
No, thank you.
Very well. May I also arrange a wake-up call or restaurant reservation?
Please wake me up at 6:30 a.m. in the morning.
Noted, sir. Your wake-up call is 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all.
It has been my pleasure, sir. If you need any help, please call our guest services by dialing #143. Enjoy your stay.
Good morning, sir.
May I come in? I understand you're checking out today. May I help you with packing your belongings? Your belongings have been packed, sir. May I assist you to the front desk? Yes. Allow me to assist you with your luggage to your vehicle. Please take a moment, sir, to verify that all your belongings is loaded.
Everything is complete.
Wonderful. Thank you for choosing Mangrove Hotel. It has been my pleasure serving you. Have a safe trip, sir.
Very much.
You're most welcome, sir. Have a wonderful day.